Hey, good morning guys and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, I'm gonna present to you this new auto trading indicator for binary options. It's not full automated, it's semi-automated. It's gonna receive a few signals using the binary bot plus. In my previous video, you saw how I explained how to use this indicator for binary options, and another video I showed you a few live trades. So in this video, I'm gonna make both part of that video. So let's go to explain how works this binary bot plus. But before to start this video, I recommend you to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell. If you want to use the binary bot plus, I'm gonna leave it the link below in this video, and let's rock. Okay guys, the binary bot plus is the new indicator for binary options, and you need to have to download and install inside in your MT4. If you don't have MT4 platform, I'm gonna leave it another link below of this video. It's totally free to download and install in your computer. So the binary bot plus was created to use in support and resistance and stochastic oscillator. Let's go to explain how it works. Maybe you can have a better idea how to use it. Using support and resistance and stochastic oscillator. My advice is in your chart inside your broker, you need to use the stochastic oscillator indicator periods 80 and 20. Okay. The idea of this indicator is make more writable your trading session. This indicator is for those are beginners and are searching a good way to be writable with binary options. But never make overtrade. Never. That is a huge mistake. What this means, if you have 5 in the money, 1 out the money, or you need to stop in that moment, or 3 in the money, stop in that moment. You need to have a control how many trades you're gonna make per day and how much money you can earn and how much money you can lose per day, because that happens. If you think this is 100% writable indicator for binary options, stop in this video. And no, it's not 100% writable or profitable, this indicator for binary options. That doesn't exist actually. If you saw that type of videos, this indicator is 100% in the money, 100% writable, 100% guaranteeing. That is fraud. That doesn't exist. It's a lie. Okay? Non-strategy, non-indicator, non-software, not anything in this business. Actually, you have 50% to lose money and 50% to earn money, maybe more to lose money. But the idea is make more writable your trading sessions. Cut that percent, your 60 or 75% to lose money, to make 50 or 60 and to earn 85% writable your trading session. But you need to follow these simple steps that right now I'm gonna share with you. You're using the stochastic oscillator, so you're gonna receive alerts in your NT4. The alert says you can enter in this and that candle in the moment you receive the alert, or the next candle too, but it's gonna depend of something. The stochastic oscillator have period 80 and 20, right? When the moving average inside the stochastic oscillator going up and crossing each other, going down, is a good trade for a put. And contrary of that is when the stochastic oscillator moving average are below of the period 20 and crossing each other and going up, is a good moment for a call. And if you have a good signal in that moment, take that signal, take it in that moment. It's a good moment to trade. Okay, it's a good moment to trade. Follow these simple steps, you're gonna have a better trading session. This is a tool to make more writable your trade sessions. Is it simple to use it? Yes, but only if you use it the way that I told you right now. Right now, I'm gonna recording this live trading session using these simple steps that I share with you using the broker pocket option, and I'm gonna use in another brokers for my next videos to know how writable can be using this indicator for news. The idea is help you to make more writable and using this indicator. Remember to follow me in my social media. I'm gonna leave another link below in this video where you can find me, and I'm gonna try to answer your questions. So I'm gonna continue with this trading session today, and I hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will back in the moment that I end in this live trading session. Let's rock.